All right.
All right. So this is the BAD compressor coming out. And yes, I'm not cutting it out, I'm brazing it out. And I do have nitrogen, I do have safety glasses on. Other than I should have a safety seal, because I think I have it up to 18 PSI at first. I did turn down the nitrogen, but this might pop a little hot silver solder on me, and that won't feel good. And I think it's turning liquid. Oh yeah, we're there. There we go. And this was recovered, the refrigerant was covered down to 878 microns. So burning refrigerant is not an option here. And there's nitrogen running through it. There we go. That's it. Done deal.